Hello YouTube and welcome to another episode of Forced and Failure. My name is Pali and where did I put my project? There we go. It's a canister with 1084 and 440C stainless steel. So I've changed the ball bearings out with 1084 and made up a little smaller cam this time, thinking it might be easier to work with and yeah, wasting less material. And if it succeeds, it should be enough to make a small knife from, I hope. Let's talk more action. I'm gonna try to not keep the temperatures high and heat up the billet slower this time. Talked with somebody who suggested that the problem why it broke up last time, most likely because the stainless steel heats up much faster than the ball bearings did, and then when I started working on it, it broke apart. Seems plausible indeed. I know nothing, so yeah. 1084 should be much easier to work with than ball bearings, and yeah, the stainless is still the stainless and it can cause some problems, and it's probably not the best way to start as a total noob, but again, it's what I had and it's what we're doing. Anyway, first this has to heat up. We'll take a look at the canister filled. Alrighty, I think we are good and hot now, and yeah, wish me luck. starting to rain, and the pressure is dropping in the bottle, so I think it's close to running out. But I have an extra bottle. About the rain and my camera, I might have to change the angle and get it into a dry environment. About the forging so far, it feels good. It's different to work with than the ball bearings. It moves a lot more, squishes better together. But we won't know how it turns out until later. So the can have cracked open, and yeah, I don't know, it's cracked in one of the weldings, surprisingly. I'm gonna work it some more until it either falls apart or the handle fills off and I can't weld it on again or something like that. Propane bottle is almost empty, so there's not full pressure on. Alrighty, well, I see some cracking inside the billet here, where the weld has cracked, and yeah, I guess it's about time to see if we can remove this from its can and see how much we failed. It's gonna be interesting. I hope the forge welding is done and that it was a success, or if it was a failure. I've tried to do it differently this time. I tried to not keep as much pressure on the propane, and hopefully keeping the temperature down, and turning the billet around more often, trying to get it more evenly heated up, so everything is heated up to welding temperature when I start forging. And also, so I don't get to the point where the whatever it was that melted, the stainless steel or not, so that doesn't happen again.